Is screen visible to all? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, just try to revise what all things we covered as of now. Let's start with the definition from the inheritance, right? So we have started uh, this chapter from. Just a minute. Oh,
it's fine.
okay,
Okay,
all right. So we have started this chapter. Yes,
from where,
if you know.
if you know?
Right, from the chapter 1. So
Right,
there,
from the
there we
chapter
have
1.
seen.
So there we have seen.
Yes,
Yes.
you will tell me. In chapter 1, we have seen what are the pillars of object-oriented programming, right? So in that pillar, we have seen inheritance is one of the pillar. So for that reason, I took you back to the chapter number 1, and there we have seen like what all the different parameters, like or you can say the principles of object-oriented programming. In the previous chapter, we have seen with class and object. Now we are dealing with also we have seen overloading part, right? Overloading सुद्धा आपण काय केलं, we have seen how this plus operator is overloaded, right? That means it shown the polymorphism, single operator with multiple behavior, right? So this concept we have seen. Now we are going to look for inheritance. In inheritance, that means we are able to use the properties of one class into the other class. So here we call this. Let's say if I'm going to inherit the property from class A to class B, in that case, class A will be the base class or parent class. मग class A ला काय म्हणायचं, एक तर base class म्हणा किंवा parent class, right? And class B is what your, yes, who will tell me?
Derived class.
Derived class or child class. And if I want to access the functions, the member function of class A, so how to access the member function of class A? Let's say there is a method display in class A, and I want to access the method of class A. So how to do it?
Create object of class B.
Yes, creating, instead of creating object of class B, you can say create object of derived class. Okay, मग तो आता B असेल. In if you check this diagram ABC, इथे कुठला असणार? C असणार. Okay, if you check here, C is the base class. Again here C is the base class. Class may be vary. In general, when we say you need to call it like we create a object of derived class. मग तो B असू द्यात, C असू द्यात किंवा अजून कुठलाही क्लास असेल जो derived असेल, तर आपण काय करतो, पॅरेंट क्लास किंवा बेस क्लासचे मेंबर फंक्शन कसे ऍक्सेस करतो? By creating object of derived class. Okay, so as of now we have covered single inheritance, multi-level. In the multi-level, here class A is a parent of class B, class B is a parent of class C. So इथे मला काय करायला लागतंय, परत इनहेरिटन्स शो करायला लागतो, आणि क्लास सी ला पण इनहेरिट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बी, बी इनहेरिट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए. Indirectly, C can inherit the properties of A as well in the multi-level. What happens here in the multiple? So for a single child, there are multiple parents or there are multiple base class. एका derived class साठी जर multiple बेस क्लास असतील तर त्या स्ट्रक्चरला काय म्हणतात? मल्टिपल इनहेरिटन्स. इथे जर बघितलं तुम्ही तर इथे किती आहेत? फक्त एकच बेस क्लास आहे. सी चा बेस क्लास कुठला? बी. बी चा बेस क्लास कुठला? ए. बट सी चा इथे जर बघितलं तुम्ही मल्टिपल मध्ये, तर सी या डिराइव्ड क्लासला दोन बेस क्लास आहेत, ए आणि बी. ओके, नाउ आय विल मूव बॅक टू द प्रोग्राम. Yes, I'll copy this code and I'll try to connect with online compiler. Yes, is screen visible, Tom? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Name, number, general name, roll number, division program. Okay, let me rearrange the program. I have taken the same example which we discussed in last practical, sorry, last session. Okay, just let me rearrange so that it will be easy to understand. Okay, this is main, and here I have created the object of derived class dog. And so with the help of this dog, I'm going to call the member function from the base classes. Okay, dog inherit from animal and animal inherit from the mammal. Okay, okay. So with this structure, I get to know this is a multi-level inheritance. आता हे जर स्ट्रक्चर बघितलं तुम्ही, हा एक क्लास केलाय, दुसरा क्लास हा पहिल्या क्लासला इनहेरिट करतोय, त्याच्यानंतर तिसरा क्लास हा दुसऱ्या क्लासला इनहेरिट करतोय, म्हणजेच हा कुठल्या टाईपचा झाला, मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटन्स. ओके, नाव where we are going to discuss about multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance कसा डिस्प्ले करायचं सांगा मला. Now I am having 3 classes. Class 1 is mammal, class second is animal, and class third is dog. So how to represent multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance कसा represent करायचा? Who will tell me? डॉग हा माझा डिराइव्ड क्लास असणार आहे, ॲनिमल आणि मॅमल हे माझे काय असणार आहेत, बेस क्लास. सो हाऊ टू रिप्रेझेंट? येस, हु विल टेल मी? येस, डू इट फास्ट. हाऊ टू रिप्रेझेंट multiple inheritance? Hello, am I audible? Hello. Roll number 1, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, now tell me how we represent multiple inheritance. From the dog as a derived class, I want to access the members of animal. Okay, so for that reason,
Comma दिवस mammal लिहायचं, sir.
yes, can you please repeat?
Comma mammal.
Comma and mammal. But if I write a mammal only, then again it by default it is of private. So I need to write public mammal. What is the spelling? In a small letters. Okay. Okay, same, mammal. So now this dog is going to access the member function from the animal as well as the public. sorry, as well as from mammal. Okay, just check what is the member function move, whether it is been called. Yes, it is being called. And from this animal eat sleep. Okay, eat sleep is also being called. And okay, from dog it has its own member function as bark, so it is also being called. So just check, I will run. Yes, it executes all. I can bark, I can sleep, I can eat, and I can move. So I can move is from the mammal, so it is inherited. I can eat and I can sleep, it is from, yes, animal. So again it is inherited. And third and last, first one, I can bark, it is with only derived class, so it is also get executed. Okay, if 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 I mention here, let's say white move. Okay, just check what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do. मी काय केलंय, मूव या नावाचे मेथड, मूव या नावाचं मेंबर फंक्शन आय मेन्शन्ड हिअर इन द मॅमल ॲज वेल. इथं मी मॅमल मध्ये सुद्धा काय केलंय, मूव या नावाचं मेंबर फंक्शन यूज केलंय. अँड आय यूज द सेम इन द ॲनिमल ॲज वेल. मी काय केलंय, ॲनिमल मध्ये सुद्धा मी यूज केलंय द सेम फंक्शन. Okay, just check when I try to run,